Okay, I think all of you can see this screen. So this today's work, this work which are given to you in the test also. This is what we're going to make. Okay, the dimension is very clear. These are the spheres, sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. This is dia 33, dia 29, and this is not given. So we can just assume it as dia 20. Now it has got 3 spheres and this bar in the middle. Okay, the horizontal bar is there, which is tapering. It's not a straight bar. If it's straight, you can go for extrude. It's tapering, which has got 18 die this side and 12 die this side. So you can go for blend. Okay, this you can go for a blend. 18 this side, die 18, die 12, separated by a distance of 42 plus 51, that's 93. This is what you do. So you can start anywhere. It's better to start here. One is you can make this, then you make the your spheres later. So at the end it will look like this. So these are 3 spheres. One is truncated. The middle one is truncated, and here you have got a thread here of M. What is it? M9? This is metric thread 9. Okay. So see in the front view, this is what you see. I switches to hidden mode. This is what you see. And if I go for a no hidden line, so this is what you see. This is a thread. This is a conical end here. This is conical ended. This conical end. This section is conically ended because you use a drill to make a hole first. Then you tap it, right? So this is what you is required of you. Now let us begin making this. Okay, so as I told you, I'll start with this first. New part. Okay, just give it a name, any name you give. Okay, name is shaper head tool, something like tool, shaper tool head handle, shaper tool head handle. So I'll just go short form, shaper tool head handle. Okay, this is the partner which I've given you. I'm sure this is recording. Very good, this is recording. Okay. Now switch it on, switch everything on. Okay, switch on the name tags also. You start from here, right? Okay, because this is the front view. What you see is the front view. This is a side view. So you start from the front. This right plane. This right plane I've started. What you do is blend. So first a circle, no problem. Very simple. A circle is here. Die 18. Okay, okay. And the distance between section number 2 is also circle, but distance between them is how much? 42 plus 51. So you write here 42 plus 51. 93. Sketch. There is one circle here of dia 12. Say okay. So what is made? Now let us see the front view. Okay, this is I think this is okay. This is what is required. Okay. Okay, now another thing what you have to make, these spheres are there. So this starting right here from here. So you can use again, you can use the front plane now. You can use the front plane to create these spheres. All the spheres you can create using the front plane. Now you can use revolve or you can use sweep to create the sphere. So easy is revolve, you go for revolve. I just again go back to no hidden lines and switch off the planes. Now you can use this, you can use arc, center and ends arc, or you can use a circle and trim it off. Anything will do. Let's say in this case I use a arc. So radius is how much? radius is 33, half of 33. Vertical center line, done. This is done. Now let us do it at this point. Okay, let us do it at this point. Again, I use the same plane. Plane is front plane. So now I'll make this sphere of dia 20. So here you again go for revolve. Okay, switch off the planes which is not required here at this point. As I told you, you can use the circle also. So I'm demonstrating using a circle. Ensure this is coinciding here. So it is coinciding here. Now trim off whatever is not required. This is not required. And how much is the radius? Radius, as I told you, diameter is 20, radius is 10. Require a center line now here. You say okay. Now another sphere is also created. Now in order to create the third sphere of dia 29, what you do is it has to be 42 from here. It's best is to create a plane here. You have a plane here with this right plane, offset it. By how much? 42. So you have plane here. Okay. But I'm not going to create on this plane. I'm going to create the same sphere in the front plane only. This is only for references. So we go to extrude, sorry, revolve again, same process. So again you make a circle or you make an arc, but here ensure this going in this plane which I made. Now the use of this plane is that I'm going to coincide it here. Okay, now trim it off. Now how much is this? This is 29, I think. 29. Trim off which is whatever is not required. Done. This is also not required. Require center line. We are going to revolve it. Okay, done. This is also done. Third sphere is also done. Now this top is chopped off. We have to chop off the head. Okay, so same thing. You can use again the front plane. Okay, chop off the head. So if you see, this is 20. Okay, so there is 10 up from here. After 10, there is no head. So you have to chop off that much. So again, go for front plane only. Just select the front. Say extrude. I'm using extrude to chop it off. So what you do is just make a rectangle here. And ensure this dimension which you see, this has to be 10 mm. Okay, and just leave it like that, doesn't matter because I'm just removing material. So yeah, you say, okay, I'll just go to this mode. Now this, you say removing material because I'm using the front plane, remove material on both sides, remove material. So if you can just remove material like this, done. Now this part, what you can do is you can let's switch on the planes. You have this plane, so I could mirror it this side. So I use this plane, top plane, to mirror it this side. This side is also chopped off. So this is done. Now you have a hole of dia 12, so straight away you can make it on top of it. Here you can make, you can use extrude to make the hole. Hidden, so switch off, switch on, yes. Circle, go for concentric circle. This is 12. Sorry, 12 mm. Done. Pull it down. Remove material has already automatically activated. Done. So this hole is also done. Let us go to front view. Okay. Now you have to make this part M9. This is metric thread 9. Okay, metric thread 9. So for metric thread 9, This is the M9 means 9 is the nominal M for metric, 9 is the nominal diameter. That is the major diameter is 9. So minor diameter, how much it would be? Minor diameter would be, you can multiply 9 by 0.85. So it will give you around 7.76, something like that. So you can take the minor diameter as 8 mm. Okay, so 8 mm you have to make a hole here. So depth is not given. How deep it is not given. So approximate it, like for example, you can just approximate from the tip to this. You can say it is 12 mm like that. This is 10, so around 12 mm. So, but here the tricky part is where to start from. If you start this is a curved surface. So you cannot start making on the curved surface. So what you do is this is there. We know from here to here is 10 mm. So I make a plane which is offset by 10 mm. I just bang on this here. Say okay. So on this I'll extrude. That means I'm going to make a hole, concentric hole here of how much? As I told you, 9 mm into 0.85. It will give me how much? It will give me 7.65. So round it off. Round it off means rounding off till 8 mm. This is the minor diameter. Say okay. So I want in this side, remove material till how much? By 12 mm. Remove material till 12 mm. You can see here in the front view, 12 mm. So I'll show you in hidden lines. You see this? This is 12 mm. Okay, so this diameter is 8 mm. This 12 mm hole is made. Now, problem is here. This is a drilled hole. When you drill a hole, this kind of conical edges are left. So how do you do that? You use a blend tool to use that to create a conical head, conical end. Sorry. So this surface you say blend and sketch view. Switch to no hidden. Considering circle. This is circle. So same size. First section is a circle of the radius 8. Say OK. And section number 2, let's say it is 2 mm deep. I'll say -2 because it's going down. Okay, -2. Sketch. What do you sketch? You have to sketch a point. In the points, all. You have to now next section will be a point. Yeah, I told you how to make a pyramid, cone. Okay, this is how you do it. Here, you create anywhere. You make it anywhere. Okay. No, just delete this. Okay, I created this point. You create it anywhere. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now thing is you have to coincide this point along this axis. There's a point. Okay, this is a point. This is coinciding here. 2 mm deep. Okay. So remove material. Yes, I'll get it. Shading, no hidden. Alright. Yeah, I got a conical head here. And is a conical end. So I'll show you this made shading. So go here, see. This is conical end because see, as I told you, this is a drilled hole. A drill will have a conical end. So when you drill blindly, you will get this end. Now the remaining thing is done. Now only thing is you have to make the what? threads. Okay, M9 threads has to meet. So where do we make? You can make in the front plane only. Go for front plane or this plane only you'll make. You can go, okay, there's no other plane, so you have to go for front plane. So here you say sketch first, sketch it. So sketch the thread profile. I go for hidden lines. Switch off these. Here, be careful. Make a line. Ensure this is end is here on this line, and this is coinciding here. That's it. And you require a center line. Make a center line somewhere here and coincide this line with this axis. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it goes up, doesn't matter. But thread has to end here. We are removing material, so it doesn't matter. So now you go to sweep, you go to say helical sweep, profile is already there. You go, you say sweep section is required. Go to sketch view. Now this is the start point. So what do we make? Here you make it is a M thread. That means the angle of the thread is 60 degree. So ensure this is equal, this is also equal, these two are equal. This ensure this is make this 60 degree. Okay, now forget about this value, doesn't matter. Now what you another thing what you have to do is you have to ensure from this axis to this is half of 9. 9 divided by 2. That's it. So you have a small triangle and the center from here to here is, that means from here to here end would be 9. Major diameter would, it will be automatically 9. Say okay. So this is here you say remove material. A pitch is for 9 mm is around 1. Pitch is 1. Okay, remove material done. So shading. Okay, so your tool head handle is made. That's it. If you have any difficulty, please message me. I'm always ready to help you. Thank you.